Why is my mic so high? So I gotta get a better mic, is what you're saying. Check, check, okay. Alright, here we are for a short little stream. We're back in Apollo 7 now. I think I improved the graphics for you guys. How about them apples? So, you should be able to read things on my screen now. It should be much crisper for you. I was noticing in all the old streams it's just super fuzzy, so super fudgy. Alrighty, let's see, what are we gonna do? Nothing right now. Did I do something ahead of time? Oh, I think I did the nominal alignment ahead of time, but we're gonna wait and we'll redo that. And let me put this in space here. I like to put the pads here on the left side of the screen into the darkness of space so I could take a screenshot of them. It's easier to tell what it says with a black background. That way, if they give me a new pad and I have forgotten the information on this one, I still have the information in the background. You guys won't be able to see it, but one of us has got to see it, right? Okay. Pretty. I'm trying to think. Let me get my options and stuff set up here. Camera speed. Map. I'd like to get to the power down today. We'll see. I'm busy. I just kind of like put everything down. So it's like I want to stream. I want to go play. I want to go be spaceman. So I go be spaceman. So let's fast forward. Mm, 20 minutes to go. We'll go a little bit quicker. Once we get to 97 hours 30 minutes, I'm going to stop and rotate myself a little bit so I can see the stars better. There. Is this Africa we're going over here? This looks like it's the coast of Africa. Okay, let's go to orb rate. And let's Majuver to good point. I just love looking at the Earth. Okay. Oops. Oh, oops, don't. Okay, let's go to rate 2. I flipped the switch when I was thrusting, so it just kind of went the rest of the way. It was great. I don't think my ordeal is set up, do you? Because it's not pointing where I thought it was going to point. Okay, I'll go belly up to the Earth here, so we're heads down. Yeah, we're good on the roll, good on the yaw, so we're going to put that in park. I mean, that's pretty okay. Oh, look how beautiful. Where's the eye of the desert? And the Eye of Africa. What do you call it? I better look and see if this is actually Africa. It is. It's Lower Africa, so the horn is way up there. Or not the horn. God. Yeah, the horn is over there in the darkness. But this is near southern Africa. So let's see if we can't see something from our porthole. Beautiful. I got a camera coming in so I could take pictures right here and then go monkey with them later. I could just look out here all day long. Okay, but the important part is we're set up for doing a P52 nominal to our alignment time on our pad. Put a couple new widgets on OBS to see how they work, so I'm hoping somebody will do something. We'll see. All good things come in time. Bad things come too. But, you know, we deal with it. Alright, let's fast forward to 9:40. I just put us in that maximum deadband just so I'll drift just a little bit and then not use too much and stop. Okay, now let's go into a low deadband park here. And see if we got any stars, which we have lots of beautiful stars out there. I think the computer should be able to find some, so let's go ahead and zero this up at 40 seconds mark. Okay, so we gotta wait till 55 seconds. Reset our optics here. Okay, we should be good to go. Let's do verb 3752. Enter. Nominal is an option 2, so pro. Now we will put in. See, I think I've already done this. Fart. Getting ahead in the checklist, and I ended the stream. You know, I don't quite know where I am, but we'll get back to where we need to be. And yeah, I did do this because I remember typing this in like 5,000 times. Is that where you? Is that? Okay. Find stars, CMC on, pro. You can find star 33, pro, go find that star. The sextant is now moving. And is there. So we'll switch the speed to low, mode to manual. Go over and we'll mark this star. Let's turn on relative. We're going to take that off just so we can just have the stars. Mark. Alright, it has the mark. It says that was 33. Yes, it was. Now it wants 35. Mode to CMC. Speed to high. Coupling to direct. Pro. Now we'll find the other star. The shaft had to spin all the way around there. There we go. Speed low. Mode manual. And the star is down here. I shut off the computer a little bit early, that's why it drifted a little bit. Hey, stop moving. Mark. That's not going to be a very good mark. Oh well. Okay, it has the mark. It is start 35. What's the difference? 0.2. That's within range. Tighten up. Alright, do you want to do it again? No, I don't. So let's go to speed high, coupling direct, load CMC and 0. Flashing 3.7. Let's go ahead and run poo. That went better than it did last time. So let's go back into our left-hand couch here. I'm going to go down and shut off the optics real quick to save a little bit of power, not that we need to. Alright, now we're going to go to... Oh yeah, it must have been right in the middle of this. So select one, source, attention, set, IMU. Pitch should go down to 348. Oh, I'm sorry, I got this on. Always. 355, yeah, that looks much better. Roll is at 345. Yaw is like 359. How's everybody doing today? Good? Y'all gonna play some video games yet? Hope you do. Whatever makes you happy. Okay, switch to GDC. GDC align. Whoa, graphics, yay. Okay, back to source CMC. Select 1 and 2. Alright, our IMU is aligned, or the guidance computer is aligned with the IMU. Go to Pro. Now it wants me to change my DAP, so we'll go ahead and change the DAP. I'm not exactly sure why, but it's to test something. That's what this whole mission is about. So we'll go to a little bit bigger. Why did I hit 1? Okay. Plus. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. So that's a little bit higher deadband. That's what in the C spot in registry 1, the fourth one, gives it a little bit more deadband. And then we're going to, didn't I do that already? Go to AC jets. Yeah. Oh, I went to AC roll and I didn't change it in the DAP for some reason. That's bad. Enter Pro. For 46 to initiate the new DAP. Looks good. Go to rate 2. GNC power on up. Oh, that's right. We're doing a star looky maneuver here. We are running poo. So we do verb 6 2. Enter. Verb 4 9. Enter. Air light on. Reset. Verb 25. And sunrise angles in, which is plus 1 2. Oopsies, clear, reset. Verb 2 5. Enter. Plus 1 2 3 9 8. Plus 13. No, I'm doing the wrong one again. No. Oh, sunrise is the same as the alignment time. Good to know. So that's what time sunrise should. I'm not smart. Let's start this over again. I was putting the time in, and what I wanted to be doing was putting the attitude in. Okay, reset. Verb 25, enter. Plus 0 0 0. Plus. Oh, this is all the information on our pad over there. Okay, so now we have our angles in there. We're going to hit Pro, so it's ready to go. Go to CMC and Auto. We're going to get it to go to where it needs to go. through. Why is it gonna do it again? This is what went wrong. I couldn't get it to do the turn. Anybody have any ideas as to why this doesn't want to go? Command module computer, auto. Everything is in rate command. Rate 2. Sources all good. Our jets are on. The only thing I could think of is that it's trying to use these jets. What am I doing wrong? It's really weird. I don't think my CMC could screw up like this, but maybe I'll put it in standby and come back. Oh yeah, let's do that. If I screw up, we could come back. I didn't do anything. Imagine what it would be. That'd be weird if that's what it was. But I learned something on every stream, so that's good. Darn it, I was really hoping that was going to do it. Let's turn on these jets, see what happens. It's like the computer doesn't know to do it. They are frustrated, but let's just auto maneuver, I guess. See, this says mode B, but it's telling me mode A, so I bet you it's on the same checklist. The checklist doesn't appear to have mode B. So I guess we're doing mode A. Oh no, there it is. Option trending 0. Oh, okay. Okay. Read the whole thing, Jeffrey. Still want to know CMC auto. Why won't it do it? so confused. Window shades up. Okay, so we should see sunrise, and then I basically count visible stars. Fun. Sunrise is at 98 plus 13 minutes, 90 hours. 10 hours. Wait a second, I just want to make sure that I am... Why is it zoomed in so much? Turning to 0. Okay, I'm gonna screw that up. So now we're gonna be down more. Okay, I see. Like, Mrs. Gooch is making food and it's making me hungry. Alright, should be sunrise soon. Shut all this down so we can watch the beautiful sunrise in this big scanning telescope. Sunrise? I know as soon as I move, the sun's gonna rise. I'm gonna miss it. I do need to know what time it is. So, sunrise should have happened. Yeah. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stars. 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, we'll go with 8. No, I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're gonna go with 6. 6 easy ones. 7. We'll go 7. till 98:17, and then we'll count again. Fast forwarding. Alright, counting starts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, still 7. Alright, let's go another 4 minutes. 21 minutes, 53 seconds. I used to think you did this in the sextant. This makes a lot more sense to do this in the telescope. Alright, count stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's some twinklers, but 7. So 4 more minutes and then we're done with this test. Alright, count stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, the 7th is kind of twinkly. So basically, the more that you get into the sunlight, the less the optics are going to work like pristinely. So I just kept looking in this region for. All right, what do we do now? Down, 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 down. Go to verb 6.2, enter. Verb 4.9, enter. I'm going to do exactly what it says. Verb 2.5, enter. Enter sunset. Angles. Plus. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Again. Plus. 3.2.7, 0, 0. Enter. Plus. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Enter. Pro. I'm gonna ask on Discord. Alright, I asked on Discord to see. But we could go ahead and try to pitch up here so we don't waste much time, because we only have 30 some minutes. Less than 30 minutes.
What you got going?
Yeah.
Well, everything looks like. Are you in at one rate too? That,
Yeah, I'm turning. Well, yes and no. I'm doing this because I'm doing it manually. But here,
Okay.
let me stop myself. I'll show you what it's doing. Okay, so got all our jets on. I turned the roll jets on. I shouldn't need these on right now. But all that's on. Everything's pushed in. These don't matter. Those don't matter. Those don't matter. Everything.
Your handle is churned.
Oh! That's it.
Now try it.
That's it. That is it. That is takeover for okay. See, like I put
Yeah.
that on my joystick, so now I could go like this. I must have hit the button. Okay, that's exactly what it's gonna be. Let's try it. Teamwork makes the dream work, right? All right.
It does.
CC auto reset pro. There we go. All right, cool, awesome. Thank you much.
There you go.
All right.
You're welcome.
Talking to you later.
I'll talk to you later.
There we go. That was Artemis. He helped me out. Figured out that my thrust connector was there, or my thrust hand controller was turned, so it was taken over for the CMC and automatically going to SCS. Why was I brain farting on that so much? But after all that, I'm going to go to SCS and turn it anyways. Because I could get there faster, that's why. If you haven't subbed already, go ahead and sub and help me get to my goal. That'd be awesome. You don't have to. Just ask him. If you don't ask, who knows? Now, why is it doing that? Oh. I have forgot that I went to SCS. I'm an idiot. Okay, wait for 12 minutes before sunset, which is 98 hours, 45 minutes, 18 seconds. Okay, we got time. We got time. We got gobs and gobs of time. No, we don't. Sometimes you gotta tell yourself that, though. Let's go outside and see how pretty it is out here. Where are we at? Mexico. There we go. I like this view the best. He's over to Mexico. Let's boop up our map so we could. You know, if I'm going to not be in the command module when this is turning, then maybe I should go to CMC. Yeah, we'll just leave it like that. So we could go play outside. This is just going to whoop us down to, so our optics there are pointing towards where the sun's going to set. Bet you didn't figure that one out. What is that? I want to know what that is, that lake down there. So I'm going to go look. you want to go on Google Map too, you could go look and see what this stuff is. See if you can't figure it out before I can. Kind of look like that, didn't it? This is why you need pictures. Screwed up little lake-looking thing. Map. Where am I at? I am over the northern part of Mexico. Thought I was down further. That is Amistad National Recreation Park down there. Back here, right there. It's on the border of Mexico, and so this must be the Rio Grande there. I'm going over New Orleans over there. I believe this is New Orleans. The shoot's up here. I believe that's New Orleans, right? New Orleans. Does that mean to say it like that? Let's see what it looks like from inside the spacecraft. Clouds kind of look digital. I might have to go look and make those clouds a little better. I wish somebody in chat. Is it fuzzy? Can you read the box with the yellow and green writing in it? It'd be awesome if you could tell me if you could read that, because I'd love to know. Every time I think you can read it, it ends up that you can't, and then it makes me sad. Going over the Gulf of America. Joking. It's the Gulf of Mexico. Always will be the Gulf of Mexico. Not picking a fight, just saying. 3 stars. I like that you supposedly can't see stars. But I want to see the stars, so I've turned them up a little bit. Why aren't we? Oh, the deadband's set lousy. I don't like that. It saves us fuel, but I like to keep it tight. Alright, I am done waiting. We're going to fast forward now. Before I forget, let's go back and turn this back to at 0 degrees to the sextant. Speed it up a little bit as I'm wasting gas. Oh, I went past it. Oh, no. That's what happens when you start screwing around. Alright, counting stars. I can't see nothing. Jeffrey sees nothing. Oh, there we go. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, really 5. Picking my nose, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't know if if there's dust on my screen or there's stars. Okay. So we want to wait till 59:18. Fast forward a little bit. Counting stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Lost one. I don't know if that's twinkled out or I just don't see it now. Alright, let's fast forward to 99. 03:13. 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, maybe. No. No, I'm not counting those because if they twinkle out so I can't see them at all, I'm not counting them. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we're gonna go with 4. Well, there's another one, but why is the ship moving? 5, 6. They're coming in from the edge. They're coming in from the edge of the screen. You're screwing up the test. The deadband screwed up the test. Alright, we'll go to 907. Oh god. Alright, let's see. I can't see nothing. Weird. 1. I see 1 star. Okay, that's good enough for me. Good test. Scanning telescope. Scanning telescope star count mode B test. That's what that was. Good. Why did we have such a crappy deadband on that? Did they want to see if you could see the stars while the ship was moving? I mean, bravo. I don't know why though. Normally I could figure out why they did certain things. This time, no go. Let's see where we're at. Wait for nav check pad and CMC state vector. And do an uplink. Let's go over and check our systems. 3 is still looking low to me. Two's looking good, 1's looking good. The SPS heater, fuel line heaters will need to heat next time we use it for sure. A, B looking good, bat, bus A and B looking good, bat C looking good, pyros are off. So 3, pushing amps. Plus 1 and 2 are looking good. Quantities looking good, H2O2 pressure is looking good, surge tank is good, fans are on. Turn that on. Turn that one off for a while. Let's check out the RCS. We should be pretty, yeah, oh my, look at how level we are on that. A, B, C, and D, and the propellant is just nifty. We're doing a good job right now. Alright, let's fast forward. Freeze frame, freeze frame. Why do I do that? Please, we don't need to be recording. Well, yeah, there we go. Just do what the checklist says, Jeffrey. got our nav check pad and we are ready to uplink C to accept, bitrate high, and go. That's a long one. Should be just about, yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. Now let's do block and see low. 3, 7, enter, 2, 1. Where? Okay. I'm going to insert in here. The time Houston gave us. Now let's see where we're going to be. Got our pad over on the side. I'll bring it right close so you can see it. Alright, we got 884, 7138, 150. Okay, off a little bit. That's right. Go with that. We'll wait and we will power down the non-essential systems in about 8 minutes, which I'm going to fast forward to. Alright, let's go ahead and start running Pro in activate, or not activate, we're going to turn off the DAP. Oh, I'm hitting +2 on verb to 1. I'm doing this from a different angle just to, you know, get some more experience from the center seat. Clear of 37, enter 06, enter GNN IMU power off. Master alarm off. Computer reset. ICF GNN off. Standby. I'm going to go to that and dampen the rates here. Look good. Down to the bottom, go to Pro. SCS power down. So we're going to go through here and take that off. Deadband, rate low. Turn that off because we are going to drift. CMC mode free. We are in rate 2. Rate command. Yep, VMAG power to warm it. CS electrical power on. Where's that one? Right here? Oh, it's right next to me. I'm an idiot. Probably turning stuff off in the wrong order. I just know what needs to happen. Alright, that's all done. Drifty configuration. I should have most of this done. We're just going to go through and check. Oh, sorry. I'm like not paying attention. Warm up, exposure to off. Coas power to off. Alright. We are going to be done with the stream today. How long was that? Almost an hour? We could keep going to an hour. We got 6 more minutes. Let's fast forward. I'm just going to do most of the stuff off stream. Because it's boring. What's PNPR to auxiliary? That's down here. Okay, there. Okay. Gonna do a little data test. Wait for Hawaii loss of signal. Loss of signal at Hawaii. Back to normal. I'm going to massively fast forward. I'm doing so much better than I did last time. Stop peeing on this carpet. Oh, sorry. Just got mad at my dog. Sleep period. Nope. I spinning out of control? A little bit. Not too bad. I've seen worse. Oh, it stopped. Now it's gonna go the other way. Yay! Dark side of fast sunset. Twinkle, twinkle, little command service module. Did I see a comet? That was crazy nuts. Okay, let's go back inside and see if anything's freaking out. All the dials look good. Sometimes when you go fast, some stuff screws up, so I'm just making sure it's safe there. Alright. We have almost another 2 hours to go before Fredo will do the checklists. It's so interesting to see how the command module is stopping and changing how it's spinning depending on where it's at in the orbit. Yep, it'll come to a stop and it'll go around again. You wouldn't feel this if you were in the command module. I'm going super fast right now. It's the rate at which it's turning is not that bad. I'm going to slow down to 10 times when it's time to do the ECS redundant component check. Oh. Is he doing it? Oh, I do that every time. Switch compressor. Pro, now he could do his thing. Waiting 5 minutes to see if everything, the inlet temperature is higher than the outlet temperature. Resetting it now. Alright, back to primary glycol system, or evap system. Pretty full. Alright, we could go save and let's go pull up speed. And we'll have Fredo do the O2 purge as well, unless somebody wants to see me do it. Raise your hands. Opie, do you want to see me do it? No? No, you don't. You can see Opie in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Ooh, I got a pad. Oh, it's just a block pad. Okay. I got overly excited. What did I just do? Tab 4. Oh, 4. Alright, there we go. Where are we at? We got that block data. Fast forward. About 10 minutes. Fredo do the O2 purge. It's purging right here. Flow is high because he's purging. He'll shut this off. This will go down. It'll go to 2. Turn that purge on, and that will go up. Same thing after a minute, 2 minutes. You know, turn that off. Switch. Turn that one on, and then blow that one. Yep. There we go. Good job. Beautiful. You can fast forward to CMC power up. Are we going to power it up, then power it back down real quick? We tend to do that. In this mission, anyways. I'll go to hour 107, 20 minutes. Wait, did I switch? $96 plus 24, what is that? 120. Okay, so we got a ways to go. It's like we sleep right in the middle of the day. So, interesting. Oh, I went past it. Guys, I was gabbing. CMC power up. GNN power to AC1. Pro until standby goes away. Master alarm off. Reset. 00, enter. Wait for computer activity light to go off. I am in CNC mode free. This takes a little bit of time. Come on, computer. Alright, now we can load our DAP. I'm going to put the 1 back in registry 1A. 1, 2, 3, 0, 1. Okay, activate that. Page down, go to Pro. Oh my lord, this is the sleep period. Okay, I'm ending the stream here. This is over 10 hours. It's over 10 hours. Alright, well, I'll stream again when I'm past the 10 hours. Because y'all don't want to see that. Alright, y'all have a pleasant evening. Talk to you later.